Alright, g'day guys. Still sick, still making YouTube videos. Back here again with the old Toshiba. Don't worry about the age, it's pretty much going to be the same with any laptop. We've done this a few times. So, what we're doing today is we're going to replace the RAM in this little guy. So, as you can see, he's a bit old. But what you're going to want to do is you want to look around for a panel that looks oddly like this. Because you can generally judge by the size. The RAM in laptops is quite small, so it's definitely not going to be this. And if you look at the front of this one, actually it's the CD drive. This one, just taking a stab in the dark, that's probably going to be the battery. Normally the batteries are up the back on the newer laptops, but that's the battery in this one. Here, and that's going to be the hard drive. So, I'm going to take a stab in the dark and guess that this is the RAM. So, what you want to do, get your screwdriver. There's 3 little screws on this particular panel. Your panel could be a lot smaller. In some of the newer ones I've seen that the panel's a bit smaller. And just undo the screws, simple as pie. This is another very easy one to do. You're going to save yourself heaps of money by doing this yourself. It's a load of bollocks that they tell you to take it to a repairman. Obviously if you're still under warranty, it's a bit different. So as you can see, I've taken off that panel, and in here we've got 2 slots for RAM. Your laptop RAM's probably going to be a bit different because this is very old RAM. However, just when you buy the RAM, make sure if you read the chip it's going to tell you what type it is. So yeah, it says on this sticker here, you probably can't see on that, so don't worry about it, but if you read it, this is SD RAM, 8x64 SD, so just make sure that you get the same sort of RAM for your laptop. This RAM is a bit different to normal RAM. It goes in and comes out on an angle. There's 2 little metal clips on the sides. Pull them back and it starts to pop up a bit. There we go. So as you can see, it's on an angle now. All you have to do, take it out. That's your RAM. Yeah. So if you were to replace it, you go and get your new RAM and you pop that back in. Or in this case, I'm just going to put him back in there. There's actually nothing wrong with this laptop, this is just a demonstration. So put it in on an angle like so, make sure it's all the way in on an angle, then all you have to do, push down on the edges, clicks into place. And just a case of sticking the panel back on, pop the panel down, pop the screws in the holes. Can be a bit fiddly at times, I'm sure, if anyone's done this sort of thing before. There you go. Screw him in. Oh. Nice and tight, not too bad though. There you go, that's how to replace the RAM in a laptop.